Low noise, unlimited pressure regulating design. High negative pressure low flow together with real-time monitoring to prevent injury to the patient's throat and mucous membranes. Built-in anti-overflow device prevents the leakage of sticky liquid into the body. Connection between the filter and the machine. One end of the filter connects with the negative pressure hole. The other end connects to the air outlet of the bottle cap. Connect one end of the hose to the interface of suction tube of the bottle cap. The other end of the hose connects to the interface of suction catheter. Plug in. Turn on the power switch. Switch the negative pressure knob to regulate the negative pressure value and start to suction sputum. Usage specification. Check the negative pressure regulation. The filter and the soft suction catheter is disconnected. Power on. Adjust the negative pressure knob to any pressure scale. Blocking the negative pressure hole with your finger and the negative pressure meter will quickly rise to the pressure value you set before. Connected filter and soft suction catheter. Power on. Adjust the negative pressure knob to any pressure scale. Holding the suction hose and the negative pressure meter will quickly rise to the pressure value you set. Precautions. Do not block the air vent. Don't put soft cloth and fluff or any analog around the air vent. Do not drop or insert any substance into the air outlet of the machine. Do not suck over the red scale mark.